everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to sign up for Novatech account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in novatechfx.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official web page of Novatech. Click on the Get Started button at the top of the screen. Now, in order to sign up for an account, you'll need to go ahead and fill in the information. In order to sign up, you can go ahead and enter your sponsor ID if you know it. If you don't, you can also go ahead and enter your sponsor username or the sponsor site name. Enter any one of the text boxes in the display and click on Validate Sponsor. Once you are done with this sponsor validation, you'll be taken to a next step. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end in order to sign up for Novatech. That is how you can easily sign up for Novatech. Quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.